Hi friends, mangosteen. How much do you know about this exotic fruit? Have you ever included in your diet? Do you know about its incredible health benefits? So in this video, we'll discuss briefly on health benefits of mangosteen. Mangosteen, Garcinia mangostina is an evergreen tree grown in tropical Southeast Asian countries like Malaysia, Thailand, Indonesia and southern India. It is commonly termed as queen of fruit because of its unique sweet, sour taste. The fruit contains bioactive compounds like xanthones and anthocyanins, which exhibit antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. The fruit is referred as purple mangosteen because of its deep purple color. When cut open, the juicy inner flesh is bright white with almond-shaped seeds. Seeds are extremely bitter, hence inedible. So the edible part is white flesh, which is sweet to sour taste. The fruit is loaded with nutrients like fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which exhibit lot of health benefits. Let us see those health benefits in detail. First one, the fruit contains lots of antioxidants like xanthones and anthocyanins. These compounds helps in damaging free radical and treats against viral diseases like common cold and flu. By this, it boosts our immunity. Second one, mangosteen contributes to anti-cancer properties. There are studies shows that it helps in inhibit the cancer cells and protect against various types of cancer. Third one, consuming mangosteen on regular basis found to be good for weight loss. Bioactive compounds in mangosteen known to promote fat metabolism and prevent weight gain. Thus, the compounds from mangosteen used in health and wellness industry. Fourth one, there are studies prove that it has been helpful in maintaining blood sugar level. Together with xanthone and high fiber content in mangosteen helps to balance blood sugar. Fifth one, mangosteen extracts effectively reduce the risk of heart disease by reducing the LDL cholesterol. Sixth one, mangosteen is beneficial for digestive health. High fiber content in this fruit promotes bowel function and reduces the constipation. Overall, the mangosteen is loaded with nutrients like antioxidant, fiber, vitamins, which helps in better health. Let us see how we can include in our daily diet. Mangosteen can be eaten by removing rind and seeds. White flesh is edible part. This flesh can also be used in desserts, jams, and health juices, which is now popular as a health drink. So consume this incredible exotic fruit in your diet. I hope this video is useful to you. Thank you for watching. Please share, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos.